Welcome to Hot and Sweet. There's a special kind of magic that happens in the kitchen on Eid morning. It starts with the aroma of roasted vermicelli and the slow simmer of milk. Khurma. To create this masterpiece, we start with the essentials. Fine vermicelli, toasted until golden. Full cream milk, saffron, cashew powder, sugar and a pinch of fragrant cardamom. And of course, a generous handful of almonds, pistachios, and cashews sautéed in pure ghee. Let's begin with grinding cardamom and saffron to give rich flavor and color. Now, pour in the milk and let it come to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and simmer. Add sugar and stir. Add vermicelli. The vermicelli absorbs the essence of the milk, softening into the perfect bite. Add chironji. Roasted almonds, cashew, pistachios. Finally, add the cardamom and saffron mix. This will give the rich color and aroma. Now, for my favorite part, the secret to that ultra-luxurious texture. We are adding a smooth cashew paste. Just a few tablespoons stirred in at the end transforms the milk into a thick, velvety dream. It adds a rich, nutty depth that makes this sheer khurma truly unforgettable. As the steam rises, you'll know it's ready. It's thick, rich, and perfectly balanced. It's a dish meant to be shared. A little extra garnish of roasted nuts on top, and there you have it, a taste of heritage. From my home to yours. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.